So what is the app library on the iPhone? Let me explain it all. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important in the future. So you unlock your iPhone and you see the home screen. This is the place where you can customize the app layout. You can add widgets, organize things in your folders. It's all fine. At the bottom, you can see the dots indicating how many home screen pages you currently have available. But if you scroll through all of them and get all the way to the right, you're gonna eventually get to the app library. And the difference is that the app library is here permanently organized. You have no control over the folders here. You don't have the ability to reorganize it or do anything else because you can do it on your home screen. On the home screen, you can put apps however you like. You only selected apps, create folders, whatever. But the app library is, as I said, permanent, and this is the place where you can find all of your installed apps. Right? So, you download an app from the App Store, it will be in your app library most definitely, even though it doesn't have to be on your home screen if you don't want it to be there. But it will be in the app library because this is the place where all of your apps are. So, that's how it works. Some people like it, some people don't. But, I personally am a fan of it because in the past, like in the older iPhones, every single app you installed from the App Store, like newly added apps, always showed up on the home screen, right? So you ended up having like a huge grid of apps on the home screen, even if you didn't want to, and you had no way of hiding them away. And this is the purpose of App Library. Like it has all of the apps in here, no problem. And then you can set up your home screens however you like, right? You can, even have an empty page if you wanted to. Like, yeah, that's very useful if you ask me. So that's what it is. I really hope that I can explain it well to you. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more, and I'm gonna talk to you in the next videos as well.